Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we will create a horror scene with AI generation, with AI tools. First of all, we need a storyboard. I have created storyboard with priest and a woman watching TV, drinking beer, and something happened and she fly in a room with demons. And we have priest, he serves in a church, and something happened too, and demons shows him, like it's magic. So let's go. For video editing and sound design, we will work in CapCut. I had created couple video for start scene, so let's check and see what we have.
I am is you, but in another world. He waiting you.
Ooh, little scary, yeah. Okay, so I will work with Magnific, and you can create nodes, and these nodes can be duplicated, and you can work with a lot of scenes at the same time. And right now we will create news in TV. After couple scenes we will see white noise and some scary effects. Let me show you how it's work. First of all, we need two images. We upload our assets, and we need add video generation. Video generated with start image and end image. Also, we have text for our prompt. We selected our text in our prompt. So this scene is called news. We have broadcast. So let me copy and paste. Okay. The next step, we need to use the model. I think will be cool pixel burst, but you can use a lot of difference. We don't need motion control right now. So today we will use pixel 6. We add sound. Our aspect ratio is after, because we add connection to start image and for end image, and our image is a 60:9 ratio. So we add sound, we add duration, and now it will be cost 600 credits. Let's generate it. Looks good, a little scary, will be okay. For this scene it will be okay. Or another video AI creation, we need duplicated our group, so we will duplicate it, and right now we will work with our priest. We need change the images, and we will select it right button in our mouse and check replace creation. Right now we will see our uploads, and first of all we will need start when preach. We will select our first image, our last image, and our text. This scene will be called wood. We need set that our text to prompt, and we will select text right here. And now we start video generate. Let's go. And this we say to text tree, and and video generate. So at the moment we generated two video. Not bad. Nice, good. Yeah, do you like it? Okay, generated. Wow. Did you see this? Little scary, yeah? Good. Good. I like it. And in this scene we need a cinematic zoom to our priest. Let's see what we got. Cool. We have 5 files from church, and this is good. And we need create more with our woman. Okay, let's check. Wow! Did you see this? Okay, so let's go to video editing and sound design. Okay. First of all, we need add our images, add our files. Okay, right here, yeah. We need to see our sequence chronological for our scene. So let's check.
I am is you, but in another world. We waiting you.
So let's go. And we cut in. We will cut out. Good. Okay, we make more faster. We need add some noise television, so we will use a CapCut sound effect, and we will search TV news. Let's check what we have. Wow, cool. Yeah, cool. It's like we add some noise in TV, and she drink a beer. So yeah, and this white noise we will add. Good. We need cut because in the back we see some creepy, strange creature, and after this, and we see, oh, we will add some sound effects. And in this we need like horror, like boom, like something like this. Whoa, yeah, look at it, like this. And no, we need to set boom when she's like flying, like boom, boom. And we have a laugh horror demon. Oh, let's check. Nice. I like it. And this noise we will add when candles start blow off. Scary, yeah? What do you think about this? Write the comment below, please. I will be appreciated for any comments. and please subscribe and set like for this channel and for my video. Thank you. Oh wow, we have like boom, and our priest look in camera. And right now we need to add more like strange sound, so we will write at the moment sound. Father. We add voice. Oh, nice, scary. I like it. And we will add this sound into and our priest. Okay, we import some audio effects. Let's hear. Okay, it's battle. Oh, news. And here we have news. So we will remove this white noise and we will add our news. News, and here our news.
While there's still no word on a cure for the virus, government officials report the virus is now airborne.
And right here we will remove, and we need more low audio. Okay, and we need some effects when a woman is drinking beer. No. Oh yeah, we need to add this. Yeah. Cool. So we finished it with moment when the woman drink beer. We add audio effects, the TV background and woman drink beer. So let's check.
While there's still no word on a cure for the virus, government officials report the virus is now airborne.
We need change level music because it's very high. We need to make aspect for boom when she like flying. Yeah, good. And we will add more. We need some sound effect like the demons get inside her body. So we need like no. We need like little scary effects. So scary. Wow! It's what I want. It's what I need. Nice, cool. I like it. So let's check our final result and see what we got.
I am is you, but in another world. He waiting you. While there is still no word on a cure for the virus, government officials report the virus is now airborne.
Wow. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you everybody for like and comment, and see you next time. See you, bye.